there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet the front post double crochet. A front post double crochet is crocheted just like a regular double crochet. It's just a location where you make it that differs. So to make a front post double crochet, yarn over, and we will crochet our stitch around the double crochet post below. So insert your hook from front to back and around the double crochet below, yarn over and pull up a longer loop like so. You'll have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And this is how you make a front post double crochet. Let me show you again. Yarn over, insert your hook around the double crochet post below, yarn over, pull up a loop, then make your double crochet as usual. And this is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. And this is how you make the front post double crochet.